Here, hi guys. Today I am doing my assignment, which is architectural drawing, which I am doing here. You can see how I have made. So this is a church, Saint Maria Church. Okay. So like, see how I have made one line. So this is well balanced. Both side it is balanced. Then from that center I have taken this much this side, then this much this side. Then again, what is the width of this? Then what will be the width of this? So this is very proportionate and balanced. So let's have a look like how we do architectural drawings. Like it should be well balanced. So have a look. Freehand I am going. Again from here I have to take the proportions. So in the any kinds of drawing, proportions and balance is very important, very important. You while doing any kinds of sketch, keep in mind the proportions. See how I am free and I am drawing. I'm not using even a scale. So your free hand should be in the same way. You should not use. For the beginning you can use. So how I am making this curved line. So this is like how in a short how we make a drawing in architecture or in any field, like if you wanna. So this I am doing for my assignment, but I thought to make you all understand about this also, so I'm recording also. So now almost like half part and the outline of the sketch has been done. Now the finishing touch I have to give. So I have to give 3 boxes for the windows. So I'm going equally, I'm dividing the proportions into the equal manner. Now I have to take 2 windows, so I am dividing. So in this way you need to identify and read the proportions of any kinds of building or any kinds of sketch. You can see here how I am doing. So this is the long window which I am making. You can see here like how I am doing. So this guideline will help you throughout the any kinds of drawing. Okay, like whatever drawing you are making, it will help you throughout. The boundary is very important, believe me, for the any kinds of drawing, for the balance, proportions and everything. So now some settings we need to give. So I have done with these sketches, this sketch. Then you can see here these columns, like to the proportions and scale. It is aesthetically it is not like so beautiful, but like how in a fast way you can analyze the drawings. So see, I have made it early. Same thing, like how you can catch the drawing in a very fast way. Once you are capable of catching the drawing, you can do anything, you can make anything. So the same things I made here, as you can see here. So I follow the principle of balance, rhythm, beauty and all. So I got to the proportions. Hope you all are fine, good, take care, bye, see you all. So now even this is not complete. Why? Because something is missing there, like after making something, you should give always the background. So something is missing. How we can compare the scale? So to compare the scale, what I'll do, I'll make one people is standing there. I am making one people. Now we can see the proportion with the woman figure with the building, so you can compare now how large it is. So this is how the building gets beautified after adding a small things in a drawing. So that time it was like this. Now I'm adding some more background to my drawing, you can see here. So now I added some trees over here, so that the tree is not to the proportion, but it seems to be like a tree. So this is how in a fast way you can draw this is how we can draw roughly. This is my rough sketches for my assignment, because so many sketches we need to do in our field in architecture. So this is the small one which you can see. Now my drawing is completed, you can see here. So keep on adding small things like human figure. Like again I'll make one. You can see like how fast I am doing a human figure. You can see it seems like someone is standing there.